To get started with the interesting part of the video, I want you to go to Sellix.com. This is a free benchmarking tool specifically made for Amazon sellers. This is used to know how the sellers can possibly improve their customers' experiences. You can read through their homepage to learn more about them. But what you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. You must see the bottom that says Affiliate that's under the About Us column. Just click on that button and then you'll be redirected to a different page. This is the Amazon Affiliate program that Sellix is offering. We'll maximize the perks of this program in order to earn more money. This is also what you'll advertise to your target market, or basically whoever you think will click on the unique link that you'll share. Also, there's no limit to your potential income with this one. The next thing that you should know is how you can sign up on this website. In order to start your journey to making more money, you should go back once again to Sellix's website. Click on the Apply Now button and it'll take you to a page where you have to fill out a form. You just have to provide the necessary information: email, name, business name, and password. After filling out the form, just click on the Next button. Make sure that all the information is correct and proper. After you're done creating your own account, you now have the chance to have your own unique affiliate link. Now, if you have your own affiliate account, take note of that as it'll be the most important part of your success on this website. Let's set aside Sellix for now, and what I want you to do is visit bitly.com. This website will help you shorten your affiliate link. You'll see on Bitly's homepage a box that's designated for the link that you want to shorten. Just paste your affiliate link in that box and click on the Shorten button. After clicking on the Shorten button, you now have your shortened link. Every step is so easy to do, and I hope you're following along so you can start right away. Again, you're not required to offer technical skills to earn money. Just a bit of your time will do. I'm here to help you anyway. That's why it's very important to listen to every detail that I'm saying, because you cannot skip any step. Well, if you're wondering what the purpose of shortening your link is, then it's to make it look less intimidating. So when you send it to different people, they will undoubtedly know that it's legit. By the way, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and like all the other videos on this channel, because this is dedicated to sharing more free information about how you can make money online. Yes, of course, there's no gatekeeping on this channel. Going back to the video, now that you have your affiliate link, how can you reach more people and make sure that they'll click on your link? That is exactly what I'll talk about next. For sure, you want to have more and more people clicking on your link because that will only give you more and more money. Next, you should copy your shortened link and then go to Facebook. I bet everyone has their own Facebook account. However, if you're still unsure about how to create your own Facebook account, simply go to facebook.com and look for the Create New Account button. From there, you just have to provide some information, and once you have your own account, proceed to log in so we can continue earning through this method. Now I want you to type the words Amazon Seller into the search bar on Facebook. You'll get tons of results after searching for this exact keyword. You'll see various Facebook posts, Facebook groups, and a lot more. All of these results can be your market and potentially click on your affiliate link. So you've searched for the keywords, right? You'll see a list on the left side of your screen, and I want you to click on the option that says Groups. You'll now see all the Facebook groups for Amazon sellers. I suggest that you join each and every group that you'll see. This will maximize your chances of getting more people to click on the affiliate link. If you've joined every group, another important thing that you should create is a script regarding the products. Don't worry, as you can use this script on all of the posts that you'll create. Well, if you want to make it easier, then I have a bonus tip for you. Thanks for staying until this part, and congratulations because you'll now know about this technique. If you want to easily create your script, just use Google. Yes, Google really has everything that you can ever think of. It has lots of solutions to your problems. Just look for the words marketing scripts in the search box of Google. Now you have tons of options, and just choose any template that you think is suited for the affiliate link. After you choose the template that you think is best for your script, simply go back to Facebook. The next step is to copy and paste the script that you've created on every Facebook page that you've joined. Always remember to include your affiliate link in every post that you make in order for people to see it and click on it. When these people click on your affiliate link, they'll be redirected to a page where they can buy the product. That only means that you'll get paid for every click that these people do. You can get as much as 53 cents per hour. That's a good amount considering that you don't have to do much work to get that money. You won't get that just by simply scrolling through different social platforms. If you use this method and everything that I've told you, it'll definitely make the time you spend on your gadgets worthwhile. You can do this on your mobile devices or on your computer or laptop. That's it!